Get okay. What's up, honey babes? Welcome back to the queendom. Before we jump into today's video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notification bells on so you never miss when I post a video. I also do post notification shout outs at the end of every single video, so make sure you comment down below so I know to shout you out. Also, guys, go follow me on all of my social media, Instagram, TikTok, all of that. Go follow the couples channel and go shop my small business, Flawless Empire Boutique. Get you some lashes, some lip gloss, okay? And get you some hair, because that's what we're here to do today, you guys. Your girl is getting a wig on. It's been, when's the last time I had a wig? Hold on, I'm gonna find an Instagram picture and show you guys and insert it here. The last time I had a wig on, because I've had braids. I feel like the last time I had a wig on was like in the summertime. Definitely in like the summertime, you guys, but it is time. As y'all know, my hair broke from the braids. I'm in the process of growing it back out, but I was looking back on like old pictures and stuff and looking back at the time where I was doing wigs like every 2 weeks and stuff like that. My hair was growing, my hair was flourishing, so maybe just like being braided up under a wig real quick, oiled up and stuff like that might help my hair a little bit, just take some stress off of my hair. So I'm here to get a wig. I wonder what I'm gonna get today. What do you guys think I'm getting today? I kind of have an idea of what we're doing today, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm so excited, but I'm waiting for her to get here. I'm currently in Jersey. My friend's studio is in Jersey, Slay by Net. Make sure you guys go follow her on Instagram. Also my business partner, so guys, make sure you guys go shop, okay? Yeah, so we're just gonna wait for her and I will catch up with you when she gets here. Okay, guys, so I'm inside and the wig's already on my head. The wig is here. I literally forgot to vlog. Say hi to Antoinette.
I look crazy, but hi, y'all.
But yeah, so I forgot to vlog, but we actually didn't braid my hair down this time. My hair is short enough right now that I can slick it down. So my hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up.
I don't want to hear none of y'all like, let me see the back, because the back is still flat.
The back is flat, okay? We gonna show you. The back is flat, very flat.
Braided or not, flat only.
Period. And this lace is melted. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to show you guys the style. It's a style I've never done a style really with a wig before. So I'm excited to show you guys and let's just, you guys will see.
Space Invaders.
Okay, guys, so I'm inside and the wig's already on my head. The wig is here. I literally forgot to vlog. So my hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My hair is like slicked down in a ponytail, just kind of tucked up. My
Space Invaders.
am home. This is my new hair, so it's actually another day. I just got in from taking some content, so make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram, run up my posts, okay, you guys? Real.Queen Honey, make sure you guys go follow. But anyways, how do you guys love the hair? What do you guys think? I'm so obsessed with this hair, you guys. So this hair is actually going to be released for my small business, Flawless Empire Boutique. Lashes on right now are Flawless Empire Boutique, you guys. This is actually from the royalty book, the second lash style. So this book gives you 5 different styles, from like 15 milliliters to 27. So from more natural and classic to your full dramatic lash for whatever look you're going for. I'm actually wearing the all gold lip gloss right now. So it's like a gold shimmer gloss. It kind of just goes with my outfit, you guys. And the hair didn't drop yet. We did not drop 613 hair yet, but it is coming soon. So I just, you know, you guys are getting the first sneak peek, but like, look at this. And it holds the curls so well. Like, we were gonna do a bob, but we saw like the length of this and whatever, and we're just like, what if we hold off on the bob and, you know, give this a style real quick? So this is what we did. I'm so in love, you guys. I can't wait for everything. I can't wait for all the content and all that. I'm gonna get my nails done. Everything matched up kind of oddly, so I don't have a nail appointment till next week. But okay, so today, what's today? Yeah, I have a nail appointment in 3 days, so I'm gonna get my nails and toes done that day. And I also have a facial coming up, so that'll be in a separate video, you guys. I just kind of wanted to show you me getting my hair done. I've never shown you guys getting a wig, and it's actually been a while since I've had a wig on, so I'm just, you know, feeling myself again. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. I love you. I really want to say thank you guys so much for 1K. I can't believe we finally hit 1K, you guys. I can't believe we hit 1K, you guys. Next stop is 10K. We ain't stopping there, so let's run it up, you guys. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Subscribe to the channel, join the queendom. I know it's been a while since I've posted too. I have a lot of content coming for you guys. I've filmed a lot of videos, I just haven't edited it. My 2022 still has like some 2021 shit going on in it. So it's just like, it's been a rough January, February. I have high hopes for February, you guys. I really want to do like a sit down video and just kind of let you guys know what's going on in life. It's nothing major or anything, just kind of like mental health and things like that. And you know, new year, new things going on, a lot of business stuff. Like, being an entrepreneur is difficult, stressful, and hard. I've had a lot of breakdowns this month, you guys. Let me know if I'm not the only one. But yeah, so we'll get into all that, you guys. I actually redid this room a little bit. I'm not finished yet, so I'm gonna finish filming that video. I'm actually about to end this video and film that video, like just get that done and out the way. So you guys will probably get that upload tomorrow, like rearranging my room and stuff like that. I have a lot of stuff, good content coming for you guys this year. You guys comment down below anything you want to see from me. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Before we go to, you know, gotta hit that post notification shout out. This post notification shout out goes to Kennedy and Official. She said she was the 1,000th subscriber. Congrats, girl, on 1K. Thank you, guys. Thank you, boo, for being the 1,000th subscriber. The rest of y'all turn those bells on. Comment down below so you can get a shout out. And I will see you in the next video. Love you, babes.